Hi guys, we're at the Neon Museum. We're going to check out 200 restored signs here in Las Vegas. Check it out with me. The Neon Museum is located on 770 Las Vegas Boulevard. It was founded in 1996 and it's a non-profit organization dedicated to preserving and exhibiting iconic Las Vegas signs. Come walk around with me. Hey guys, we're at the Neon Museum. Let's take a look at everything. It's the ugly duckling car sale sign. He's so cute. The exhibit space is in open air, so if you come during the daytime, in the summertime, it can get rather hot. I recommend wearing a hat and sunglasses and bringing some water to make sure you stay hydrated. And you could probably hear me crunching. The ground is dirt and rock, so I don't recommend wearing high heels at all. Oh, it's the Frontier sign. The Frontier was the second resort to open on the Strip, as a fun fact, and the first place where Elvis Presley performed. It's such a fun place because these signs have so much history. And there's the Sahara. It opened in 1952 at the first Olympic-sized pool on the Strip. Isn't it great? Hard Rock. Hey guys, it's fabulous. There's a Stardust sign. They rescued this sign in 2006 before the implosion. Look at the musical numbers. I'm almost positive I saw the implosion of the Stardust, but if you've never seen an implosion before, it's really quite cool. You think that the building is going to splatter all over the place, but it actually just drops in its place. So walking around the Neon Boneyard would take about 45 minutes to an hour. There are hundreds of signs to look at. I definitely recommend going on a tour because there are so many fun facts about each of the signs that you definitely don't want to miss. I'm going to link the tour site in the description box below, but it's about $20 for a general admission tour where you can walk around yourself, and about $28 for a guided tour. There are definitely advantages coming during the day and night. A lot of people like to do both. During the day, you can see the details of each sign, while at night, you can see them all lit up, which is kind of cool. On a guided tour, you'll hear a lot of fun facts, like about the Steiner's Cleaners Happy Shirt sign coming up. That company cleaned and reapplied rhinestones on many of Liberace's shirts. This is a sign from an exhibit Tim Burton had here called Las Vegas. I just love all these signs that we're about to come up to. It's just so old school Vegas. Look how grand Sassy Sally's sign is. It was actually on the northwest corner of 1st and Fremont Streets in 1980 to 1999. And there's Lady Luck, built in 1964 and renovated to Downtown Grand in 2013. And Golden Nugget is one of my mom's favorite casinos. It was built in 1946 and makes it one of the oldest casinos in Las Vegas. And of course, Moulin Rouge. Does anyone want to break into song right now like I do? So fun fact about this sign, the woman who actually created the Welcome to Las Vegas sign also created this one. Let's take a look at it from another angle just because it's so fabulous. So we are back at the beginning. It's not very big, but there's just a lot of details to look at, a lot of fun things to look at. Don't forget, if you like what you're watching, please like and subscribe. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Bye. Thank you so much for watching. If there's any other video you'd like to see, let me know in the comments below. Let's keep in touch. I'm on Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter at In and Out of Vegas.